Hello everyone, welcome to Malik 034 channel. This is Malik Arjun. In this today's session, I'm going to quickly explain about the what are the installation changes as comparison with 11G, 12C and 19C. These changes are applicable to the GI home installation as well as DB home installation. And before getting started with the session, if you are new to my channel, I request you to go back to YouTube and search for Malik 034 and then please do subscribe. And if you like my video, please like, share and comment. Getting started with the today's session. If you can see here, I have 11G, 12C and 19C. It is for the GI home installation. What we used to do, we used to download GI software first, and then we used to unzip that GI software, and we used to unzip into one of the mount point, for example U01 patches, and then from that software we used to run installer, and then we used to pass a particular grid home where we want to install my grid infrastructure home, and then the grid infrastructure is getting installed here. This is typically with the 11G. And then coming to the 12C and 19C, we used to download the software, and then we used to unzip into directly to my grid home where we want to set up our grid infrastructure home, not as like 11G we used to download into some other mount point. Here what we are doing, we are directly downloading or directly unzipping into grid infrastructure home, and then from that home we are just running the grid setup.sh. So this grid setup.sh is going to relink all my libraries, and it is going to create this particular oracle, this particular grid home as my grid infrastructure home. Similarly with the 19C also, we are going to download the patches, and then directly we are going to unzip into my grid infrastructure home, and from that grid infrastructure home we are running the grid setup.sh. It is going to relink all my libraries and binaries executables, and then it is making it as a grid infrastructure home. This is typically changes from 11G to 12C and then 12C to 19C. This is how it works in grid infrastructure installation. Coming to the database installation, we used to download the patches in 11G. We used to download the patches, and again similarly we used to unzip into one of the mount point, for example U01 patches. From there we used to run the run installer, and during the run installer screen we used to pass our database home, and then all the binaries are getting installed in that particular oracle home. Similarly with the 12C also, we used to download the patch and then unzip into some of the mount point, and then from there we used to run the run installer, and then we used to pass a particular database home, and then all binaries are getting installed over there. And whereas in 19C we used to download the binaries, and then we are directly unzipping all my DB software into my oracle home where we want to create my oracle home directly, like user on app 19C DB home 1. I am going to unzip inside that my directly into my oracle home, and then there I am running run installer, and then this particular home it become my database home by relinking libraries executables and binaries, and this particular home is becoming my database home. So this is typically changes as compared with 11G and 12C. 19C has some changes in database home installation, and whereas in grid home 11G and 12C it is going to be same, except 11G is going to be changed, and 12C and 19C are going to be same, where it has replaced as a grid setup.sh, where earlier in 11G it is run installer. And in database home installation, all in 3 version it is a run installer only, but the way you unzip the software it's going to be same in 11G and 12C. You are going to unzip into some mount point, and then you are going to install into some other oracle home, other directories. So whereas 19C you are directly unzipping the software into your DB home, and then inside DB home you are running the run installer, and that DB home is becoming your database oracle home by relinking your libraries and executables. So this is typically changes what I noticed in 11G and 12C and 19C with respect to the GI home installation and DB home installation. And that is for today's session, guys. Thank you.